Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by opening your DAW and importing the source track. Focus on 1 to 8 bar sections that contain the musical idea. Why do this? Because short loops are easier to edit and clear for clearance later. Once done, set the project sample rate to 44. 1 kHz or 48 kHz and enable snap to grid so cuts are precise. Make sure to export a lossless working copy, WAV or AIF. And you now edit the sample. Trim to 0 crossings so you avoid clicks, and use fades only where necessary. Then time stretch or warp the clip to match your track BPM. Do this to keep grooves tight and preserve pitch unless you want creative chromatic shifts. Once aligned, sculpt the tone with subtractive EQ, add transient shaping for punch, and sidechain to the kick for clarity. These steps make the sample sit in the mix and serve the song's energy. You finish by arranging variations, chops, reverses, pitch shifts, and rhythmic stutters to expand musical interest. Once your arrangement is locked, consolidate clips or export stems at the original bit depth for best fidelity. Make sure to label takes and include tempo metadata. If you encounter artifacts or warping glitches, try changing interpolation or resampling quality, or resample at a higher rate. This usually fixes aliasing and stretching artifacts. And remember,
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.